For this week's assignment, we are creating a monthly budget using the Google Sheets. So I went in and used the same template that the guy in the video used. Okay, so we have all of the 8 categories here, and then the income on the right side. So I will go in and add all of my planned expenses into this category. Also for this, I am married, and so I'm using my husband and I's income together because all of our bills are together, so that was the easiest way for me to figure this all out. For insurance, I'm not sure if it was car insurance or health insurance, so I'm just gonna go with car insurance. And the rest of these are kind of just estimates. Okay. So that is all in the plan category, and then if you go here to transactions, you can actually enter your expenses on the left side, and then your income on the right side, and it'll change it on the summary sheet. So let's do that. And for the purpose of this, I'm just going to use today's date for everything. Okay, so now that all of this is entered, if you go back to the summary, it has not put everything in here, and I'm not sure why. So I'm not really sure why some of them carried over from the transaction sheet and some of them didn't. But I'm just gonna go ahead and manually enter the actuals on the ones that didn't. Okay, so now that everything is here, when you scroll up, you can see what your plan was, what your actual was, and then as far as your income, it does the same thing. And then it kind of shows how much money is left over after those 8 bills are paid.